What up, y'all? It's CreekfishinCaleb here. Today, we're going to take a little trip to two spots to go fish at. The first spot was called Black Branch. It's a creek that I like to go to, but it's more of a spring to fall only. Usually during the winter, they like to head back up to the lakes, but I'm pretty sure that they might be down there. I'm not 100% sure, but I think they might still be. Then the second spot, after about an hour of fishing there, if I don't get anything, I'm going to head to a pond. It's a little public pond. It's nothing anything big. It's probably the smallest pond I've seen that you can actually fish out of. And I'll see what I can get there. We are here at the first spot at good old Black Branch Creek. This is Spring Creek. This little part is called Black Branch. Today I'm going to be throwing the Strike King Senko shaky head, and we're not going to be fancy on how we retrieve this because these fish are a little finicky. I wouldn't be surprised if they're not here, so we're going to see what we can do. It's probably maybe about a foot and a half. Let's see what we can do. I'm throwing this on a 6.5 foot medium action rod. The heck? Anyways, throwing this on a medium action rod. I'm doing this on mono because I didn't have any time to put on different line. I would put on a probably like 25-pound braid with 10-pound leader. Oh, sweet. I'm trying my best not to get hung up here. I probably should be throwing this on medium heavy rod. I mean, this is really light. You can feel, it's not bad that I can feel everything. It's just when I get hung up on a little rock, the rod tip just yanks down. I guess there's a bunch of birds over there. Apparently, because I just hear a bunch of rustling in the weeds. Come on now. That's why I like this place, I don't like this place. There we go, broke off. Dang it. That was the one thing I said I wasn't gonna do today, and I did. Well, we're gonna go weightless now. Pop-Tarts. One. Golly, it's cold. I was burning up when I was at the house, and now I'm freezing. There we go. Alright, let's put on a plastic. I was about to throw out just a hook. This is the perfect time to use the Senko. Just gonna wacky rig it. Put all this back up. I'm not gonna stay here this much longer. The place that I go to, the little pond, does not have wind. For long. This is definitely somewhere I just don't want to be. That was short little trip. But we got more places to fish. Don't worry. And cool slide transition. Dang it. Unmark. I might have to bring out the beanie. No, I don't really like. I'm not gonna wear the hat this time. It's too cold. Too cold. Oh yeah. I feel better that I can see fish now. Oh, there's one. Oh, he's following it. He's looking at it. He's a good size for this pond. This pond does not carry big fish, but numbers is a definite. Here we go. We're gonna try something skinny. Not gonna use a Senko, we're gonna use finesse worm. Gonna use the Strike King KVD finicky boy worm. Dang, they just swam right past it. They are not interested in this at all. It's time to switch it up. Well, let's see how well this works. Got him. Oh my gosh, what is this? Well, I guess the first fish. We got a small largemouth. See what I mean? There's many fish. Well, our first fish of the day. Gosh, that is small, but okay, see you, little dude. Straight off. They're full of energy too. Don't underestimate them. Come on, fishies. Got him. Oh no, he's gone. He was a nice sized one. He pulled my drag a little bit. Dang, he freaking pulled the pants down. But, well, dang it. Well, when there's one, there's about 1,000 of them. Because they travel in these packs of like 20 and 30. Got him. Yeah. Yep. Got another little. God, he's fat. Hey, family friendly. Number 2. He's just a little guy. But, hey, fish is a fish. Alright, we're done. We're done here. I gotta hit the church. I gotta put on that suit. But, not to worry. It is 4:48. I gotta be there by 5:15. It is gonna be a close cut. I am hungry. Thank y'all for watching this video today. If you haven't, there's a subscribe button down below. I'd like you to hit that. Also like you to hit the bell button so you know the next time that I make a video. And could you leave a comment for me? Tell me how I did for my first good video, or my first real video. I had a video up before that was about 8 seconds long just to see what it looked like, just to have a YouTube video of my own up on YouTube. And also hit that like button for me. It'd mean a lot to me. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.